Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, Magno North Coast Tour kami. Time check at 7:23 AM, and as you can see, nasa hotel pa kami kasi ang aming meet-up time is 8:45 AM sa may Taipei Main Station 1F East Gate 3. And kailangan 15 minutes before punta na kami doon, and habang maaga pa, siguro kakain muna kami sa labas for breakfast para magkaroon kami ng energy throughout the day since it's a whole day tour. Na-book namin siya through Klook, papapakita ko na lang din dito. And ang binayaran namin per head, it's 2,060 plus or parang mga ganon. And ang mga pupuntahan or itinerary nito is the Yeoyu Park, the Jiufen, Shifen, and Golden Waterfall. And then, ang uwi namin is around magagabi na siguro. Alis na kami dito sa hotel and I'll see you guys later. Okay, outfit check.
Shit.
We're now going down kasi kakain muna kami ng breakfast. Outfit check. We are now going to the train station sa exit 5. Actually, tawid lang yun ng hotel namin. And then, train kami one stop lang siya going to Taipei main station sa Gate 3. We are now here at the MRT station.
Nila.
So, bumili mo na siya ng food. Oo, init mo. Ayan, so we are going down to Banan Line. One ride lang naman siya, one stop away. Namin is Blue Line going to Taipei Main Station, DL12. First in line, and we are now going to ride the bus going to our tour for today. At ito yung aming tour guide for today's video. Ganda. Sabi ayusin ang buhok.
Doon na lapot!
So we are now on the bus going to...
Sixth place, so we need to be on time, okay? According to our company rule, I only wait, okay, 5 minutes. Okay, if you late, see you next stop. Okay, you can take taxi, okay? But just need to remember meeting time and then meeting place, okay? Thank you so much because today is joint tour, okay? Hi, 大家好，欢迎参加天。
So we are now here at the Yeoyu Park at pupunta kami ngayon sa entrance. So the good thing about our tour kasi is si tour guide na yung kumuha ng entrance fee at siya na yung pumila on our behalf para less hassle na din. And here's Yeoyu Park. So we are now going back doon sa aming tour bus since parang isang oras lang binigay sa amin na time to roam around here at Yagi Geo Park. Which is actually not enough for us kasi na ma-picture. Pero okay naman, hindi nga mainit. And take note, today, ngayon ay July 16. And ang weather here is so init. Ayun. Sorry, what is this?
有金生乌龙气 ，this one，this one 金生乌龙气。
Okay.
This one 也来好，那个 sauce 吧，very good。
So, andito kami ngayon sa tea shop. Binigyan kami ng free tea. And bibili raw si mama. Actually, masarap siya. Lasa siyang pandan. Ewan ko lang pag lumamig to. Anong lasa nito?
If you buy two, you can get one free. And now you can get one more Alexandri free. Like
So, this is the good thing about our tour guide. Actually, samahan niya talaga kayo sa mga okay na puntahan. Yan siya. So actually, naiwan na kami ng tour guide namin. Dito kami ngayon kakain sa may Taiwanese beef noodles, which is recommended ng tour guide namin. Yan, ito siya. Beef noodles, beef shank tripe tendon noodles, beef rice. Yan. Dito.
Yeah, can go inside. Okay.
Ito yung mga price
Beef na may
niya.
May beef fries. Beef fries. May beef fries pala.
They're too busy.
May beef fries. Mag-noodles ka ba?
Here's their famous
you can share it.
noodles.
Yeah.
Also, if you want more soup, I also can get free for you. Quite good, right? Mommy always good, okay? Spicy if you can. Yeah, a little bit spicy if you can eat. You can try. Okay. I don't know.
Ang dami naman kung kaya mo pagkakas mo. Dilagyan mo.
It's okay?
Ay, ikaw gusto mong balagyan ko?
Tapos na kami kumain. And I believe we are now going back. Sabi ng tour guide namin, it's 300 steps pababa. Doon. I mean, actually dito siya. Ayan, dyan. 300 steps daw sabi ng tour guide. So we are now ready to go to the next location. Punta na kami ngayon sa Shifen Waterfalls. Parang isang oras din natin yung biyahe, no? And the weather is now giving, medyo umaambon lang, pero sana wag tumuloy sa ulan. Congrats! Naiputan, naniknikan. Follow lang daw si Uncle. Ayan, hindi pala kami sa Shifen Waterfalls. Ang mauuna pala ay yung yung pagpapalipad ng lantern. So here's my mom writing sa aming lantern. Yan, so here's my kapatid.
Mag-Chinese tayo. Tapos nagkamali ako na ano.
And ate ko Charmaine.
Okay, camera. 1, 2, 3.
Tapos na kayo magpalipad ng aming lantern. And hopefully, mag-granting wishes namin. Ayan, actually isang street to sa lantern, yung mga nagpapalipad ng lantern. Yan. Actually, meron din dito mga souvenir, pero sabi ng tour namin, or tour guide namin, mas mura daw yung sa baba. By the way, yung skylighter namin yung lantern namin kanina, multicolor na yun siya. 250 NTD na yun. So, nagati na lang kami tatlo, ako, kapatid ko, tsaka yung mama ko. So, ayun. Then, yan, as you can see here, more souvenirs pa siya. Actually, more souvenirs lang siya. And, andito rin yung mga magpapalipad pa lang ng lantern. And finally, we are going to Shifen Waterfalls. Kasi kanina mali ako na nasabi. Bago dumating sa waterfalls, may mga parang food here. Yes, my favorite Taiwan sausage there.
Bumubo ka.
Baka binuka lang.
So don't worry.
Ayan, may mga souvenirs din. So here's the waterfall. And it's a wrap for our North Coast tour. Ang ganda ng weather today, kahit mainit. At kung nasiyahan ka, charis, I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!